Hi there, I'm Kate Getchell with Remax 100, and in the interest of what's going on in the world today, I'm going to give you a private tour of 9559 number J, West Mine Avenue in Littleton. So it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo unit that lives like a townhouse. First floor is the entrance here and your 1-car garage. So let's take a look inside. This is your entry hallway up to the unit. First, let's take a look in the garage. It's a full 1-car garage. You can fit a 1500 size truck in here. And back here is the laundry room. Washer and dryer are included. It's also your utility room. It could be used as a gym or a playroom. Really just space that you could use for something extra. You have access to the unit directly from the garage. And let's go up to the main floor of the unit. You enter here at the kitchen. It's a nice kitchen, large counter space, lots of storage. And you have access to your private fenced patio right off the kitchen. Fully fenced, so you could have a pet out here to enjoy the sunshine like today. And then going back inside, you have a half bath right off of the kitchen. And here's your dining space, dedicated dining space. And then it moves straight into the living room. A large living room with a wood-burning fireplace, lots of natural light. And then let's head on upstairs where the bedrooms are. Straight upstairs, we have the master bedroom. It's an oversized master bedroom with 2 closets and vaulted ceilings. Lots of natural light in here as well. And then directly off the master is the full bathroom. Access from the master and also from the hallway. Back into the hallway, here is the linen closet. And the second bedroom, which also has vaulted ceilings and feels very, very large. This condo is listed at $275,000. If you have any questions, please contact me. My phone number is 720-822-5334. And remember, for your needs in real estate, don't wait, call Kate.